wonderful words. I invite Mathew to share journey.
First of all, I want to say my journey has started somewhere to just doing mathematics. That is my goal. Whenever I say to my professor or to my sir also and to my mother, parents, everyone I don't have a destination to pursue in this college, or I don't have a destination to prove this theorem, nothing else. Why? Because I'm saying is that mathematics, every scientist has written something they have got there. For an example, Archimedean property, we all of us know something is there, so Archimedean has discovered. But what is that something? Did any of the book say that something is hidden there? Even you know that we say for given epsilon greater than 0. Why epsilon should be greater than 0? Is there any Bible words like they define means that is not irrelevant, right? So that is my destination. I need to discover that. Discover means I'm just like journal. I want to see why this mathematics has written like this, because that will not give in any of the degree, or I will say in IIT also, if this is the same case is going, I will say IIT is also not, for me it is not good. The only worth is like the man who knew this is the proper definition why the scientist has written. That is the proper man of mathematician. Because you should not just prove a theorem. You should understand why this proof has written, why this theorem has written. And that is where I started. And the first time I met sir was in a message. In first year I got there is a exam like IIT JAM and CMI, many I got by Google. And I messaged him, and one of the silly question I asked is, sir, there will be a snacks break, sir. Because from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. is class, snacks break will be there. He told you can bring and you can eat. Sir, which time I can bring, sir, and how much amount I can bring, sir? Because timing is more means I can bring more snacks, I told. But he told there will be only one break, 3 hours class and 2 hours afternoon class. In that one break also, after sometimes I will give some work. Then I thought, okay, that's it. For 1 month only enjoyment, after that pure jail. Then when I took class, I was saying I was in a second semester, I remember. That time his thought was matrix theory. That matrix I could able to understand, sir. You were seeing about transformation, n dimension, what is n dimension, what is this words and all. Then he scolded me very badly, and I remember one incident in weekly tests I scored 12 marks out of 100 something. That time I was traveling in a train. He scolded like anything. I was felt. No. No, I never had those words in my past max students. He say you're not at all reading, you're just wasting your time. I just see, I left my college, I left parents, friends, everything, and coming here. Sir, what I need.
Sir never scolded.
And then what I will scold him, only laughing is. My mood angry, sir, sir. This I will do only. What I will scold him tell. Also more I am neglecting, also scolding. And he completed first PhD from here. After that net qualified have whenever PhD work going on here, staying till night 2 o'clock 3 o'clock PhD work doing. Whenever my mind angry coming, seeing means my angry decreasing down. What I will scold. Anyhow, without scolding he qualified.
And then I got my first gang with Vishali, and then Kirtana Ka and Uma Ka. We all were been sitting in kitchen. I was thinking is the kitchen is a proper way where we can gather the knowledge, because afternoon time this ground floor man will put chicken biryani, fish fry, anything I will say to sir, put any exhaust fan, we can't read here. More non-veg smell is coming. After that I got Aisha Ka, and we formed a gang. The gang is increasing IPL tournament 11 members we got. I was thinking 11 members, sure we can put IPL match even. Then the gang goes on, and we are discussing rigorously. And I want to thank Abhirami and her parents also, because I like more linear algebra and real analysis part. Nearly midnight 12 or 1 a.m. also we are both discussing in WhatsApp chat or WhatsApp call like that. And before all this, I want to thank to one of the biggest gang, or else my family, Chandru Anna, Saravan Anna, Vidyaka, Purushotana, and Hariharan Anna and Rajkumar Anna. So still now, past 3 days before he answered one of my question in the group, he was helping still now for me, and he is the one of my motivation. He's traveled in a small cycle which is never cost of 2000 right now, but he is now in IIT Delhi. You can't get like this motivation from Chandru Anna. And last 6 months I regretted everything. Like I came here in institute, I never went to college functions, and one of the biggest loss I lost is like one major problem has occurred in my family. My father was very sad, and my mom is calling and she is crying like anything. My akka is also crying like anything. I could not able to go and support them at that time, and then I realized I should go. I must want to spend time with them. At the last minute of the time, my sister marriage has happened like 7 days before IIT JAM examination. That I will never say like it is my biggest fault. I went in the marriage before night and came in the marriage afternoon itself, because 7 days I need to concentrate for my IIT JAM. But still, if I go to my home, my sister will be not there. But I won't say like this is my rank, this is the hard work. I will never say. I will say the only thing is that never learn only to the marks, or never learn only to the destination. Learn each and every time to make proud of your parents. Thank you.